Angel number 1313. If you keep seeing the number 1313 repeatedly, this pattern is usually connected with creative change and structured rebuilding. In numerology, 13 combines the energy of 1 and 3. 1 represents initiative and direction. 3 represents expression and creative movement. Together, they form a number linked with building something new through effort and adjustment. When 13 appears twice, the message becomes stronger. It points to active change rather than passive waiting. Seeing 1313 often happens when something in your life needs redesign, not just repair. This could be a routine, a work method, a relationship pattern, or a personal habit. Many people misunderstand 13 because of cultural fear around the number. In numerology, 13 is not negative. It represents transformation through structure. It means improvement through deliberate action. This number asks for practical creativity, not dreaming alone, not planning forever, but building step by step. There is also a discipline message inside 1313. Inspiration is useful, but structure makes inspiration real. Without structure, ideas fade. With structure, ideas grow. When this number shows up, review what you are trying to create. Then review the system supporting it. Do your daily actions support your long-term direction? Another layer of 1313 relates to self-expression with responsibility. Speak clearly. Create honestly. But stay grounded in facts and effort. If you see 1313 during uncertain moments, treat it as a rebuild signal. Not everything needs to be replaced, but weak foundations must be strengthened. Pause briefly when you notice it. Ask a simple question. What am I building right now, and is the foundation solid? Repeated numbers are not predictions. They are awareness cues. 1313 points toward creative growth, supported by discipline and steady rebuilding. That is the numerology meaning of angel number 1313.